I feel very honored and privileged to announce the 7th Regina Elena National Cancer Institute workshop, which is going to deal on an unmet clinical need such as resistance to anti-cancer treatment. A unique and outstanding international faculty has accepted our invitation, joined the meeting, and will debate for 2 days this important unmet clinical need in oncology. The workshop will be also the occasion to expose our young scientists, their ongoing research, and their findings to an international scientific community. I also wish to thank the President of the Italian Drug Agency, the President of the American Cancer Association, the President of the European Association, and the Scientific Director of the Italian Association for Cancer Research for having accepted our invitation and be with us along these 2 days. I look forward to welcome you all at the Regina Elena National Cancer Institute and to enjoy science on October 20 and 21st.